Are we still in a buying frenzy? Is inventory still at incredibly low prices? Do you want to know everything that's going on in the real estate market? Well, in this video, we are bringing you market stats, values, timeframes, and prices. Today, I am going over the September 2021 monthly real estate market report right here in Southwest Florida. Let's jump right into the report. Stay tuned. What's up, everybody? I'm Rob Wosner, a local realtor here, Southwest Florida. And if you want to know everything about eating, sleeping, working, playing, and the real estate market, this is the channel you need to subscribe to. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so you're notified every time I drop a new video. Let's start the video with one of the most common questions I get every day. How's the market? By comparing rate of sales versus inventory, the market has been cooling off a bit in recent weeks, as more homes are available and demand is less. However, the market is still notably in the seller zone, so we haven't yet seen prices move lower as a result. It may take a few more weeks of slack demand for prices to reflect and begin to fall. Expect this condition if the index falls into the buying zone. This should come as no surprise. Out-of-state buyers set Florida's real estate market on fire. Now they may be backing off just a bit. This week, the median list price for Naples, Florida is about $800,000, with the market action index hovering around 53. This is less than last month's market action index of 54. Inventory has increased to 633 properties currently for sale. Also, the pandemic home buyers from out of state set our market soaring out of reach for a lot of our local buyers. But there are early signs that the high spending competition is starting to retreat back in the Northeast. That may give an opening to local buyers who have had to sit out the market for a few months. Sales of single-family homes and condos dropped sharply in the third quarter of 2021, in part due to fewer out-of-state buyers. We did see a drop in home sales in September, but I think it would have been much stronger if there was just more inventory. Historically, September is our slowest month for home sales in Naples, but the area's reputable nature, beauty, and all over wanting to live here and home value potential continue to increase its desirability for so many home buyers. Let's jump into those numbers now. Closed sales in September decreased 18.9% to 914 closed sales from 1,127 closed sales in September of 2020 as a result of low inventory. Of course, the continuing theme that I keep preaching month after month. A decrease of 213 home sales might seem like a home buying interest is waning, but consider the inventory factor, which is at historic lows again. In September 2020, there were 5,287 properties available, while September of this month ended with just 1,251 properties for sale. That's a whopping 76.3% decrease in overall inventory. Let's take a look at some showing activity. This sheds light on the situation. There were roughly 23 showings per home in September 2020, compared to under 7 showings per home in September of 2021. Basically, buyers are looking at fewer properties this year and are quick to pull the trigger and offer a price to purchase a house. Since January, there has been a 48% increase in closed sales over the same 9 months of 2020. Inventory of homes is suffering from the same supply chain issues as other commodities here in America. Just look at all the boats sitting off the California coast, and all of this is probably due to the pandemic. But opportunities to invest in Naples real estate are still out there, as developers are starting to sell lots once again. Yet, most newly constructed homes don't get added to the MLS, so they sell and they're not really reflected in the reports and in inventory numbers. The median sale price in September increased, 18.9% to $455,000 from $382,744 in September of 2020. The market report also showed new listings in September decreased, you guessed it, 28.4% to 962 from 1,342 new listings in September 2020. I wish we had 1,000 new listings right now. However, while new listings of condominiums decreased 2.7% during the first 9 months of 2021, new listings of single-family homes actually increased 3.5% during the first 9 months of 2021. All right, so we keep talking about all the prices continually going up month after month or year over year. So let's talk about how that interacts with mortgage rates. With the average 30-year fixed mortgage rate from Freddie Mac climbing above 3%, rising rates are one of the topics dominating the discussion in the housing market today. And since the experts project rates will continue to rise further in the coming months, that conversation isn't going to go away anytime soon. So what's the big deal about interest rates? What does that actually mean to you? Well, being upset that you missed out on the sub 3% mortgage rates is definitely understandable, but it's important to realize buying now still makes sense, as experts project rates will continue to rise, and as rates rise, it will cost more to purchase a home. Rising mortgage rates, all else equal, will diminish housing buying power, meaning it will cost you more per month for a borrower to buy the same home. In other words, the longer you wait, the more it's going to cost you. So what's the bottom line? While it's true that today's average mortgage rate is just a little bit higher than a month ago, 3% mortgage rates shouldn't deter you from your home buying goals. Take a look at this chart of historically, today's mortgage rates is still low based on the history. And since rates are expected to continue to rise, buying now could still save you a lot of money in the long run. So what is this low inventory, rising interest rates? Is that going to create another fury? Well, we don't really know. But if you're interested in purchasing a home in today's low inventory environment, it is essential that we partner, we hook up, that we start communicating. Because working with me as a professional real estate agent, I know about homes that hit the market before they even are advertised. And then I can also set you up so that we find out about homes as soon as they hit the MLS in real time. No waiting for Zillow or Redfin or Trulia or whatever you're using. That's going to be a 24 hours behind. So we can get into that home, we can do virtual showings quickly, and we can share this valuable information with you, the new home buyer. So thank you very much for watching the monthly market report here in Southwest Florida. And again, if you're even thinking about making a move, buying or selling or relocating here to Southwest Florida, you need to take the first step. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, however you want to get in touch with me. We have so many people calling us to help them, and we absolutely love it. I have developed a system to make the process super easy and stress-free and give you the best experience possible. And remember, I have your back when buying or selling property in Southwest Florida. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so you're notified every time we drop a new video. And I look forward to seeing you on my next video.